Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG Drive on PS5. Unfortunately, BeamNG Drive is not available on the PlayStation 5. This unique vehicle simulation game was developed specifically for personal computers, leveraging their advanced processing power. Currently, there are no official announcements or plans from the developers regarding a console release for the PlayStation 5 or any other console. So, if you're hoping to play it on your PS5, you'll need to consider other options. The primary reason BeamNG Drive remains a PC exclusive is its incredibly detailed soft body physics engine. This engine simulates vehicle damage and deformation in real time, demanding substantial CPU and GPU resources. Personal computers provide the diverse hardware configurations and raw power needed to run these complex calculations smoothly. Adapting this intricate simulation to the fixed architecture of a console like the PlayStation 5 presents considerable technical hurdles for the development team. If you're eager to experience BeamNG Drive, the best way is to play it on a personal computer running Windows. You can purchase the game through digital storefronts like Steam. To ensure a smooth experience, check that your PC meets the recommended system specifications, which typically include a modern processor, at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card. This will allow you to fully enjoy the game's detailed physics and expansive environments. While BeamNG Drive isn't on PS5, you can still find other excellent driving simulation games available on the console. Many titles offer realistic physics, detailed vehicle models, and engaging gameplay, even if they don't feature the exact soft body physics of BeamNG Drive. Research games that focus on crash physics, open-world driving, or deep customization to find a console experience that might satisfy your craving for realistic vehicle simulation. There are many great options to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.